How to hide or unhide following list on REDnote app. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open REDnote app. After opening REDnote app, log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three lines located on top left corner of your screen. In here, click on settings located on bottom left corner of your screen. Then click on privacy settings. In privacy settings, scroll all the way down till you find following and followers list. In here, if you want to hide or unhide following list, simply click on hide my following list and make sure there's red mark to hide. And if there's no red, that means it is unhide. And that's how to hide and unhide following list on REDnote app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.